Hello students, very good morning. Today we will take computer lesson number 2, Windows 7 operating system. First of all, we will do some warm up. List the languages you can speak. Now, which are the languages that you can speak? Like in school we speak in English, your mother tongue, Hindi or Marathi. Any other languages that you know, you can write here. Okay. Now somebody speaks to you in a language that you do not understand. What will you do? When someone is speaking with us and if we don't understand their language, so what we will do then? You will take help of a translator. Yes, we will take the help of a translator. Or you will try to understand through sign language. If we are not taking help of translator, second option is we can take the help of sign language. We can try to understand it. Yes. Now in this lesson, we are going to study operating system and its types. Windows 7 operating system. Now see, you have learned that a computer takes input, processes it and gives output. In last lesson, we have studied how computer works. First of all, we have to input the information, then CPU processes it and then we get the output. One usually gives input in English language. Most of all time what we do, we give input in English language only. But do computers understand English? Is there another language that a computer understands? If so, then what helps to communicate with the computer? What controls and tells the devices of the computer system what to do? Let us find out. Now, whenever we human beings are speaking, we mostly try to speak in the language the other person knows. Like, if we talk in English, the other person also understands it. But computer understands the English language? No. Why? Because their language is different. Computer language is different. So let us study how. Operating system. An operating system, that is OS, is like a principal in school who manages all the teachers, students and other school staff. Just like a principal gives instructions for the work to be done, an operating system also tells the computer how to work. Now, operating system in the computer also works like the principal in a school. How principal is the head of the school who manages all teachers, students and other school staff. Just like principal gives instructions for the work to be done, similarly operating system is also working in the computer. It controls all the devices connected to the computer. It helps you communicate with the computer. In other words, it acts as an interface between you and the computer system. Now, what operating system does? It controls all devices that are connected to the computer, and it also helps us to communicate with computer. It acts as interface. What is interface? It is a link that works between we and computer system. Whenever we are inputting any language or any information, that is processed through the operating system. It helps you do many tasks at the same time and keeps a track of all the programs you are working on. This means it lets you multitask. Multitask means more than one. means lot of work doing, more than one time lot of work is done at a one time, that is multitasking. Without an operating system, a computer is of no use. See, without an operating system, computer is of no use. Why? Because it is the main who manages the computer. There are many types of operating system available in the market. Microsoft Windows and Mac OS are the most commonly used operating systems. Linux and Unix are operating systems that are available for free. Now operating system also come in various types like Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. These are the commonly used operating system. Most of all the computers are of Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. Linux and Unix are also operating system. Now there are two types of operating system: single user operating system and multi-user operating system. Now what is single user operating system? Single user operating system allows only one user to log onto the computer at a time. It is usually used at home and in schools. Microsoft Windows and Mac OS are popular single user operating systems. Now in single user operating system, only one user can log into the computer, and most of all home and in schools it is used single user. Which are the single users? Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. These are the single user operating systems and that are used in schools and homes. Multi-user operating system. Next is multi-user operating system allows many people to use the same computer at a time. Here one main computer is attached to many other computers. It is mostly used in big offices, hospitals, airports and other public places where a lot of people are required to access the same system. Linux and Unix are examples of multi-user operating systems. Now what is multi-user operating system? This type of operating system is used in offices, hospitals, airports and public places like malls and all. In this, one computer is operated and it is attached to many other computers. So you understand single user operating system and multi-user operating system. In single user operating system only one user can log in, but in multi-user operating system many other peoples can also work at the same time on same computer. So you understood the operating system. Read this page again.